Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some amazing beauty tips to help you enhance your skin's natural glow while you sleep. These simple bedtime rituals will leave you waking up feeling refreshed and looking radiant. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Cleanse your face. Before hitting the pillow, make sure to thoroughly cleanse your face to remove all the dirt, oil, and makeup that may have accumulated throughout the day. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type, and don't forget to include your neck as well. Tip number 2. Apply a nourishing moisturizer. Once your face is squeaky clean, it's time to replenish and hydrate your skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin's needs, whether it's for extra hydration, anti-aging, or blemish control. Gently massage the moisturizer into your face and neck, allowing it to penetrate and work its magic overnight. Tip number 3. Don't forget your lips. Just like the rest of your skin, your lips need some extra care too. Before bedtime, apply a nourishing lip balm or petroleum jelly to keep them soft and moisturized. You'll wake up with luscious, kissable lips. Tip number 4. Pamper your hands and feet. Apply a rich moisturizing cream to your hands and feet, massaging it in to soften the skin. Slip on a pair of cotton gloves and socks to seal in the moisture, allowing it to deeply penetrate overnight. This simple step will leave your hands and feet feeling incredibly smooth and hydrated in the morning. Tip number 5. Get enough beauty sleep. It's called beauty sleep for a reason. Ensure you get an adequate amount of restful sleep each night. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and overall well-being. Remember, these beauty tips are meant to enhance your natural beauty and give your skin the TLC it deserves. Incorporating these rituals into your bedtime routine will help you wake up feeling and looking your best every day. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these beauty tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing beauty content. Until next time, sleep well and stay beautiful.